DJI have just teased us with this mysterious photo, a twist in the plot. What on earth could this be? Well, we have one better on the channel today. Today we have a leaked unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the RC controller. Let's go. So thanks so much to this special individual who sent me this unboxing. Managed to get hold of the Mini 3 Pro early. So this confirms one thing, the Mini 3 Pro is coming and it's going to be on your table too really soon. But this also answers a few questions about that controller and confirms whether this was all just a big hoax or not. So we can see here the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone as it's now getting unboxed, and now we can also see that the controller as well. This basically grey RC Pro, we'll get to that in a minute. The drone itself here now, you can see the huge front position sensors on here and the downward position sensors, that gimbal cover onto that 1.7 aperture camera. It's going to be fantastic in low light, and that twist of what DJI said is going to be to do with the vertical video. So you're going to be able to do vertical and horizontal. But the controller, we didn't know a lot about this. We didn't see many leaks of the actual controller. Now let's have a look at it. So you can see here now that this controller looks awesome. How does this look any different to the RC Pro? Well, a couple of differences. You can see here now that there is no 5D button on here, no back button, but you know, to get this bundled in, I don't mind about that. And on the back we've got a C1, C2 button where you're going to put your flight sticks. It looks to have similar sticks as well to the RC Pro. And then what about that extra flap on the bottom and then the top? Well, let's have a look, shall we? So on the bottom, we were thinking what's going to be in here. So at the bottom of this here, you can now see, and we'll just look at it from a different photo, it's going to have two USB ports and an SD card slot. Again, similar to the RC Pro. The RC Pro has also a HDMI port. This doesn't. And on the top, two gimbal wheels. Again, similar to the RC Pro. One of those will control the gimbal, and I gather the other one will control the zoom, just like again on the RC Pro. It doesn't, however, list the nits value of this screen, but the screen is the exact same size as the RC Pro, and once we do find out more, I'll let you know about that. But it looks like that this screen as well is also the same nits value, 1000 nits. So there's only some subtle differences between this controller and the RC Pro. So this confirms that this controller is going to be awesome. Drone's going to be awesome, coming out really soon. Thanks so much for sending me this. Let me know in the comments down below just how excited you are, especially for this controller, and I'll see you on the next one.